तो आज हम देखेंगे एम्ब्रियोलॉजी के बारे में कुरान क्या कहता है। देखिए काफ़ी नॉलेजेबल वीडियो है। पार्ट नंबर 6।
Quran says in Surah Tariq, chapter number 86, verse number 5 to 7. Does not man think from what is created? He is created from a drop, emitted from a space between the backbone and the ribs. What does the Quran mean by saying that human beings have been created from a drop, emitted from a space between the backbone and the ribs? Today, after science advance, we have come to know that the genital organs in the human being, in the male, that is the testes, in the female, the ovaries, they initially develop in the embryonic age in a space where the kidney is present between the backbone and the ribs. And later on, it descends down. In the male, it descends via the inguinal canal into the scrotum, and in the female, it descends to the true pelvis. Even after the descent in the adult life, after the child is born, yet they receive the blood supply and the nerve supply from the same space where the kidney is present between the backbone and the 11th and 12th rib. And even the venous return goes back to the same space between the backbone and the 11th and 12th rib. Quran says in Surah Mu'minun, chapter number 23, verse number 13, and Surah Hajj, chapter number 22, verse number 5, that we have created the human being from a nutfa. A nutfa in Arabic means a minute quantity of liquid, very small. Today, science tells us out of the 300 million sperms emitted in a normal ejaculation in a male, only one sperm is sufficient for fertilizing the ovum, which the Quran refers to as nutfa. Quran says in Surah Sajda, chapter number 32, verse number 8, we have created the human beings from solala. Solala in Arabic means the best part of the whole. The one sperm out of the 300 million sperms which fertilizes the ovum, the Quran refers to as solala, the best part of the whole. The Quran says in Surah Insan, chapter number 79, verse number 2, we have created the human being from nutfatin amshaj, a minute quantity of mingle fluid. Besides the spermatic fluid, there is a requirement of seminal fluid and other fluids which is responsible for the birth of the child. The Quran says in Surah Az-Zumar, chapter number 39, verse number 6, that we have created the human beings in the womb of the mother in stages, one after the other, in 3 waves of darkness. When Professor Keith Moore was shown this verse of the Quran, he said that these 3 waves of darkness mentioned in the Quran refers to the anterior abdominal wall, it refers to the uterine wall, and the amniochorionic membrane. Imagine what science came to know recently. Quran mentioned 1400 years ago. We have created the human beings in the womb of the mother in stages, one after the other, in 3 waves of darkness.
अल्लाहु अकबर। तो देखा आपने अल्लाह का निज़ाम। माँ के पेट में जो बच्चा होता है उसका जो प्रोसेस होता है कुरान ने पहले ही वो बता दिया है। साइंस को अब पता चल रहा है इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में।